how to check and manage your Instagram drafts. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can manage your Instagram drafts. For that, you'll have to open your Instagram application on your mobile device and click on the plus icon at the center of the homepage to create a new project. Here select story or post where you have the drafts. Once you reach this space, click on the gallery option at the left of the screen. Here you will find the drafts option. Click on drafts and you will see a list of your saved drafts. Here you will have the option to either delete a specific draft or keep it. If you want to delete a specific draft, click on delete draft. Additionally, you can choose to delete all the drafts at once by clicking on this square button and click on delete. By following this step, you can easily view, customize and manage your Instagram drafts. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.